Here I have the one more problem based on probability density function of a continuous random variable. F of x is equal to x by 8. X values lies between 0 and 4. Other cases you take the 0. So here find the expression for CDF of x. CDF of cumulative density function of x. So here required the first expression of CDF. So function is f of x is equal to x by 8. Now in the CDF definition already we were explaining in the previous section to observe. So f of x is equal to cumulative distributive function. F of x is equal to integral a to x f of t dt. So lower limit you take it small a, upper limit you take the x. So here in this function lower limit is 0, upper limit you take the x. So therefore, so first bit CDF of f of x is equal to x is equal to integral lower limit is 0, upper limit you take the x, function you take it f of t dt. So this is equal to integral 0 to x. F of t function is, so f of t is nothing but t by 8 dt. This is equal to 1 by 8 constant. So integral t dt value t square by 2 from 0 to x. This is equal to x square by 2 into 1 by 8. This is equal to x square by 16 is the f of x. Therefore f of x is equal to CDF is equal to x square by 16. So that is the first bit answer. And the second bit to observe, find its values of x. Find its values of x at 0.5, 1.7 and 5. So first here, so find the f of 0.5. You know the f of x function x square by 16. In place of x substitute the 0.5. So 0.5 whole square by 16 is equal to, so 1 by 4 into 16 is equal to 1 by 64 is the f of 0.5. And second bit x value is 1.7. So f of 1.7 is equal to 1.7 whole square by 16 is equal to, this value is 2.89 divided by 16. When I are dividing this value, we get 0.18. That is the f of 1.7. And also required f of 5. So f of 5 is equal to, so x square means 5 square by 16 is equal to 25 by 16. So 25 by 16 value is equal to 1 point. So here f of 5 value required, x value is 5, but from the question to observe clearly maximum value of x is 4 only. So then you take it, the x value is here 4, so that is nothing but 4 square. So then 16 by 16 is equal to 1. So because here f of 5 value directly is not getting, the because the maximum value of the function is x value is 4. So then f of 5 cases also you take it x value is 4. So then x is equal to 4 case, x square 4 square by 16 is equal to 16 by 16 value is 1. So the values of f of 0.5 is 1 by 64, and f of 1 by 7 value 1.7 value is 0.18, and f of 5 is nothing but f of 4, that is equal to 4 square by 16 is equal to 16 by 16 value is 1. So then f of 4 value is equal to 16 is our answers. Thank you.